than I thought it was gonna be. Alright, so hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing this awesome monitor from BenQ. Huge thank you to the team at BenQ for, of course, hooking me up with this amazing monitor. Yeah, I just can't wait to unbox this with you guys and show you guys all its special features. So of course, let's dive right into the unboxing itself. No, I guess screwdriver required. It literally just slides in like that. Okay. And this is pretty much the entire monitor. What the heck? This is so big. This is my biggest monitor. Oh my gosh. This looks so gorgeous. Wow. Wow. Alright guys, so I've spent about 2 weeks since the unboxing. I have to admit, it is my all-time favorite monitor I've ever used. I am so thankful that, again, BenQ has sent me this monitor to try and review. What I love the most about this monitor is the real estate. This thing is 32 inches, 4K, and I'm so happy and ecstatic that I finally have a monitor that I can edit on, especially when it comes to Premiere Pro and Photoshop. This is the perfect monitor for me, and no joke, I love it so much. I plan on buying a second one, not only to match the aesthetics of my room, because obviously both of the monitors have to match. Right now I'm using two BenQ monitors that are not the same. Although I love the other BenQ monitor, this is by far so much better, because what I edit and see on the monitor is what I'm expecting it to be on YouTube, and it is absolutely perfect. Again, the real estate on the screen is so ridiculous. I sometimes forget that I can actually enlarge the entire image. I tend to forget to do that, and I kind of am used to a small monitor, so you'll see me not even using the entire window, but I think it's perfect because I can just multitask with every project or program that I want to use. It is just my dream monitor. I absolutely love it. So I do have speakers of my own on this monitor. However, it does come with two speakers on the monitor on the front on either side, and it comes with a 5 subwoofer, which is ridiculous. So it is a monitor that I believe is perfect for a dorm room. If you do not plan on having a crazy setup like 3 monitors, speakers, whatever, this is the perfect monitor to go for, especially when you're dorming with someone or roommates or whatever, your room's not that big. This is the perfect monitor that you can just utilize in everyday use, whether it be editing, gaming, you name it, you can do it on this monitor. So when I originally wanted a monitor from BenQ, I did mention to them that I wanted something to edit on, because a lot of my past videos, I noticed that whatever I edited on my Asus, it wasn't color matching, and this color matches 95% of the time. It is amazing and perfect for those content creators. It's basically the Switch Army knife of monitors. It does everything. You know, when it comes to my content creating, I just do a variation of everything, and I play video games, I stream, I edit videos, I edit pictures, I make Nintendo DIYs. So I have to dabble in all of these different segments, and this monitor does it all, and I'm so thankful that it does. I've seen nothing but improvements in my editing, especially when it comes to color accuracy. It's just so gorgeous now, and I don't have to stress about whether or not what I edit is going to be exactly what I upload on YouTube. 32 inches, which in my head when I originally opened the box, I didn't think it was gonna be that big, but boy is it huge. It is a giant compared to the monitor that is right next to it, which again, I'll list both of my monitors down below. The other monitor is also another BenQ. However, it's mainly for gaming, and the fact that I now have a dedicated editing monitor right next to me is absolutely incredible. So the crazy thing that I've never seen in a monitor before is that it comes with its own remote. As you can see, this is the remote that it comes with. I've never seen a monitor come with a remote before. This is just absolutely crazy, and I get super lazy, so the fact that I can just go from my monitor to my bed is just perfect, especially when I'm watching a movie or when I just want to sit and relax and play games. I just wanted to give a huge thanks to BenQ, the team at BenQ that I absolutely love. Thank you so much for sending me the EW3280U monitor. It is just so gorgeous. I will list this down below in the description if you're at all interested. So if you guys enjoyed this setup video, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Huge thank you to BenQ for sending me this monitor. Thank you to you guys for all the support. I hope you guys enjoyed all the Nintendo DIYs and different crafts. I have so much decorations in my room, and it just looks so gorgeous, and I cannot wait to get the second monitor so at least both of the monitors can match, and I can actually edit on both of them too. I don't need a second monitor, but I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed this review and my entire setup. It's been really cool to just work on this monitor, and I hope you guys enjoyed all the different Nintendo DIYs and decorations that are in my room. You guys rarely see it, especially when it comes to streaming, because it's on my desk, but I do hope to have a backdrop eventually. Let me know what you guys would like to see in the backdrop. Huge thank you to BenQ for sending me the EW3280U. Thank you so much to you guys for all the support and love. We are close to 50,000 subscribers, which is amazing. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, because if you do, I will see you next time. And don't forget to wash your hands and don't touch your face.